Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to the class 8. So in the last class we have started with your algebraic expression. In this class I am going to make the sum of the video based on your examination, post-term examination revision part. That is the first part. I am going to start with your playing with numbers. The first question says, from playing with numbers, write the following in generalized form. If I want to write this in generalized form, the first question is 142. So this I will consider as unit place, tens place and hundred place. I want to write in the form of generalized form. So I will write this as 1 into 100 plus 4 into 20, 4 into 10 plus 2 into 1. So this is the generalized form. That is 1 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 2 into 1. So this you can write this as 1 into 100 is 100 plus 4 tens are 40 plus 2 ones are 2. So this is the generalized form of 142. Okay, so pause the video to note down this. Similarly, second one you are having this as, what you can write the second one, that is 2000. Second one you are having as 2000, that is you can write this as 2 into 1000 plus 0 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 0 into 1. Okay, so this you can write this as 2 into 1000 is 2000 plus 0, anything into 0 is 0, similarly 0, 0. So this is the generalized form of 2000, that is 2000 plus 0 plus 0 plus of 0. Okay, so pause the video to note down this. Second one, that is second one you are having, if 36y is a multiple of 9 where y is a digit, what is the minimum value? Okay, if 36y is a multiple of 9, if it is multiple of 3 or multiple of 9, in the divisibility of 9 and 3 we seen that we add the numbers. So first of all I will write, that is 36y is a multiple of 9, means what I can write this as 3 plus 6 plus y is equal to 9. Okay, so 36y first we have to write as sum. So that is 3 plus 6 plus y. First we need to find the value of y. So you can write this as 3 plus 6 is 9. Okay, so this will be 9 plus y is equal to 9. Similarly you can write this as y is equal to 9 by 9. Yes or no? So the y is equal to 3 plus 6, that is 9. Okay, so 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus y is equal to, that is y, that is we can write 3 plus 6 is equals to 9 plus y is equal to 9 minus of 9, which is equals to 0. Okay, so y is equal to 9 minus 9, which is equals to 0. If you take y is equal to 0, so the value of y will be the 0. Next one, a class, this is a third question you are having from the data handling. That is a class of 24 boys and 12 girls. Okay, a student is to be selected for social work. The first question is a girl is selected. Second question is boy should be selected. Okay, so what you will write? So see, dear students, so already you know the probability formula. Probability is equals to, that is number of outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Number of outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Okay, so what we will write? The first probability, that is A1. So this is the probability formula. Probability is equals to number of outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So number of outcomes for a girl selected. First one we can write a girl selected. A girl selected, that is girls are 12 girls. That is number of outcomes, number of favorable outcomes. Similarly, total number of outcomes you can write this as 24 plus 12. 24 plus 12 will be, so you can write 4 plus 2 will be, that is 6 and Similarly, 2 plus 1 will be 3, 36. So total number of outcomes is will be 36. Okay, similarly you can write this we can do the simplest form, 12 ones are 12 threes are. So the probability of a girl selected will be 1 by 3. Okay, similarly second one we are having probability is equal to number of outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Similarly the second one we are having as a boy is selected, B1. Similarly B1 we can write a boy selected will be, that is only we have to change the number of outcomes and total number of outcomes will be the same, that is total number of outcomes will be 36, and similarly total number of a boy selected will be 24. So this we can write 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. So boy selected will be 2 by 3. Okay, so the probability of boy selected will be 2 by 3. I hope so we understood this some of the problems. Hello dear students, welcome back to the one more question, that is from your direct and indirect proportion. The cost of 10 books is rupees 200. How much will be the cost of 15 books they are asking? Okay, so see here we already know that is x1, that is given x1 is equals to, I will write this as 10 books cost, that is y1 is equals to cost, that is rupees 200. Okay, similarly x2 is equals to, that is 15 books, and similarly y2 we need to calculate. So already now we have the formula, that is x1 by y1 is equals to x2 by y2. Okay, so x1 is equals to, have the formula, that is x1 is equals to, they are given the value, that is 10, y1 is equals to 200, and x2 they are given as 15, and similarly y2 they are told to find. So therefore y2 is equals to, you can write cross multiply, y2 is equals to, you can write as 200 into 15 whole divided by 10. So this 0 get cancelled. So y2 is equal to 15 2s are 30, 30 and plus 0. So y2 is equals to 300. So cost of, so therefore the cost of 15 books, the cost of 15 books will be rupees 300. Rupees 300. This is your required answer. Okay, so first of all they are given x1 is equals to 10 books, y1 we need to find the cost they are given rupees 200, x2 they are given 15 books, we need to find y2. So again we have the formula x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. So x1 is equals to, they are given as 10 books, y1 they are given as rupees 200, x2 they are given 15, and y2 they need to find. So y2 is equals to 200 into 15 divided by 10, 0 get cancelled, 15 20s are, that is y2 is equals to 300. So therefore the cost of 15 books will be rupees 300. So pause the video to note down. Hello dear students, now welcome back to the one more question from your visualizing solid shape, that is using Euler's formula. Okay, find the number of edges and find the number of faces. So Euler's formula you already know, that is f plus v minus e is equals to 2. So where f is your faces, v is your vertices, e is your edges, and 2 which is equals to 2. So this is the Euler's formula, f plus v minus e is equal to 0. First question they are given faces is equals to 6. So just substitute here, faces is equal to 6. First one I am solving. Then vertices they are given as 8, and edges we need to find e as d, which is equals to 2. So 8 plus 6 it is 14. 14 minus e is equals to 2. So this will be minus e, which is equals to 2 minus of 14. So minus e is equal to, so this will be minus 12. So both side minus get cancelled. So therefore e is equals to, it will be 12. So edges will be 12. Okay. Similarly B1 I am having the first one, I will write the Euler's formula, that is f plus v minus e is equal to 2. So your f is faces we need to find, that is f as it is. Vertices they are given as 10. Similarly edges they are given as 15. We need to find the number of faces. Okay, so this will be f will be as it is, that is 15 minus 10 will be, obviously it is minus 5, which is equals to 2. So therefore f is equals to minus 5, this is plus 2, 2 as it is, minus 5, and go to the RHS become as plus 5. So therefore f is equals to 7. Okay, so this is the Euler's formula. The first question they told to find the number of edges. The number of edges I got as E is equal to 12. In the second one, in the B part, by using the Euler's formula, they told to find the number of faces. The number of faces I got this as 7. Just you need to remember the formula, Euler's formula, that is f plus v minus e is equal to 2. I hope so you understood this concept.